My dad is a chiropractor. I always noticed that my father was most fulfilled and happiest when he felt like he was healing people or helping people recover from injuries. I feel the same satisfaction out of helping people. The reason why I became interested in law was so that I could help people with issues that were too complex or difficult for themselves to handle. I've become very familiar with the mechanisms of injury, the symptoms of injuries, especially musculoskeletal injuries, which is why motor vehicle accidents is one of our specialties. So because I had that upbringing and kind of had that influence, I'm better able to understand some injuries, and I have more resources because of his network of doctors and healthcare practitioners, and I can use that to help my own clients.
I was driving down the road and all of a sudden there was a crash. A truck had pulled out on a blind left-hand turn and I didn't even see it coming. Airbags deployed, car filled with smoke. I was in a lot of pain, but I really didn't know how injured I was and how long I was going to take to recover. I knew I needed an attorney as soon as my insurance company started contacting me frequently, and it was very shortly after the accident. I hadn't even really started therapy, and they were pressuring me to settle the claim. A friend recommended Jeremiah to me, who's a doctor, and so I took his word for it. I think I was really impressed with how on top of it initially Jeremiah was. He came to my office, was very empathetic, listened very carefully to what I had to say, understood my story, and I really felt like he was going to work hard for me. I'm an intelligent person, I'm competent. I thought I could take on the insurance company myself and handle it, but in my condition, it just didn't make sense. So just like I tell my clients, you come to me because I feel like I'm the best, I think it's good to go to a professional who can handle a claim.
Whatever the issue is that we're dealing with, our firm's goal is always to make sure that our client comes out on top, that their life is back to normal, that their life is better than it was when they came to us. We keep them informed, we are open and transparent with them, we stay in touch with them, and we want them to feel like they can ask us any question. In order for justice to be done, in order for you to receive compensation and protection, you need to be able to understand how the system works. And that's my job. It's to help you.